Are you looking to lose weight fast? It's possible with the right approach. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you shed those extra pounds safely and effectively. Focus on a healthy diet, cut calories. Reduce your daily intake by 500–1,000 calories. To create a calorie deficit, high-protein, low-carb diet. Include lean proteins and limit carbs like bread, pasta, and sugar. Increase fiber intake. Eat more vegetables, fruits, and whole grains to stay full longer. Avoid processed foods. Stick to natural, whole foods. Garnu. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8–10 glasses of water daily to boost metabolism and reduce hunger. Replace sugary drinks with water, green tea, or black coffee. Exercise regularly. Engage in cardio workouts like running, cycling, or swimming daily. Build muscle with strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Try high-intensity interval training (HIIT) for effective fat burning. Sleep and stress management. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep to avoid disrupting hunger hormones and overeating. Practice stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Consider intermittent fasting. Try fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, 16-8 method to reduce calorie intake and boost fat burning. Track progress. Weigh yourself weekly, not daily, to monitor trends. Take measurements or photos for non-scale victories. Stay consistent. Quick weight loss requires dedication. Avoid fad diets and focus on sustainable habits. Remember to consult a doctor before starting any new diet or exercise program, especially if you have underlying health conditions. With discipline and the right plan, you'll achieve your weight loss goals while staying healthy.